Hey roses! Did you want a peaceful winter? So you are in right place. In this video, here are 3 aesthetic, SEO-friendly, expert-backed script points for mindful productivity for winter 2026, December balance tips with a calm, cozy, winter aesthetic. 1. Winter slow living aesthetic, soft routines for steady focus. Think snowy mornings, warm light, and quiet intention. Anchor your script in the slow living aesthetic, clean desks, warm beverages, and gentle starts. Experts in cognitive psychology note that environmental simplicity reduces mental load, making winter the perfect time to declutter your digital and physical spaces. 2. Cozy mindfulness rituals, grounding practices for darker days. Lean into the cozy seasonal vibe, soft blankets, candles, ambient playlists, and mindful breathing. Wellness experts highlight that micro-rituals improve emotional regulation, especially during shorter daylight hours. Infuse visuals such as frosted windows, morning stillness, and warm journaling moments to boost aesthetic appeal. 3. December balance flow, blending rest and gentle output. Balance aesthetics center around harmony, snowfall pauses, peaceful evenings, and intentional slowness. Productivity specialists emphasize rest-integrated schedules, where breaks are part of the workflow, not interruptions. Encourage listeners to match their energy with softer winter rhythms.